How to delete Amazon account permanently. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to delete your Amazon account permanently. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Close Amazon account. On your Amazon app, tap on your profile icon. Afterwards, tap on your account and scroll all the way down to select Close your Amazon account. Step 2. Delete. Once you've selected to close your account, you would first have to give an explanation as to why you're doing this. Then, tick the checkbox to agree with deleting your account permanently. Once done, simply tap Close my account. And that's it! That is how you delete your Amazon account permanently. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!